Right now I'm still working on this. I'm trying to actually shape it up. I'm trying to get it all shaped up. Try and round it off here. I'm still working on it. I'm doing it with pliers and the vise. It will get there. It's taking shape. Oh, it's a double panel, so I have to fix all this off. I cut all this off. As long as I got the shape of it already now, that's the main thing. And these splits here, they get filled up with welding. It will get welded on this lip. I put a new plate here. I cut all this off. It's no good. It's headed. Look all this shit that came out of it. Go. Bloody hell. Oh. Far out. Fucking rust, mud, shit. Okay.